Subscribe to receive daily videos on natural solutions and cures.
Ever wonder how common household items carry surprising benefits beyond their usual uses? Imagine the items resting in your pantry or tucked away in your cupboards, silently holding secrets of extraordinary uses. It's time to uncover these secrets and witness the marvel of ordinary turning extraordinary. From health to beauty, cleaning to cooking, these everyday items are about to stun you with their versatility. Get ready for an exciting journey into the world of household wonders. Today, we explore the top 10 surprising benefits of a household staple, baking soda. Starting at number 10, baking soda acts as a natural deodorant. Surprising, isn't it? But this everyday item is a real game changer. It works by neutralizing odors, not just masking them. You see, odors are usually acidic, and baking soda, being a base, reacts with these acids to neutralize them. So instead of reaching for a store-bought deodorant, why not give baking soda a try? Now, moving to number 9. Ever dreamed of a bright white smile? Baking soda can help with that too. Its mild abrasive nature can help remove surface stains on your teeth and over time even lighten them. Just remember, moderation is key. Too much of anything is never good. Intriguing, isn't it, how a simple kitchen ingredient can have such versatile uses? But that's the magic of baking soda for you. And we're just getting started. Hold on to your seats for more. At number 8, baking soda can be a great help in the kitchen as a meat tenderizer. If you've ever wondered how your favorite restaurant achieves that melt-in-your-mouth tenderness, the secret might just be baking soda. By breaking down proteins in meat, it makes it incredibly tender and juicy. Just remember to rinse the meat thoroughly after marinating to avoid a soapy aftertaste. Moving on to number 7, let's explore baking soda's role as a powerful cleaning agent. From stained coffee mugs to grimy sinks, baking soda can tackle it all. Mixed with a bit of water to create a paste, it can scrub away stubborn stains and grime without scratching surfaces. Plus, it's non-toxic, making it a safer choice for households, especially those with children or pets. So, from tenderizing meat to scrubbing away stains, baking soda proves to be a versatile hero in our everyday lives. Isn't it surprising how versatile baking soda is? Coming in at number 6, baking soda can relieve heartburn and indigestion. That's right, this humble kitchen ingredient is a superhero in disguise. When heartburn or indigestion strikes, your stomach is basically overproducing acid. Baking soda, being a natural antacid, comes to the rescue by neutralizing this excess acid, helping to calm the storm in your stomach. It's like your very own personal belly-soothing superhero, right there in your kitchen cabinet. Moving swiftly to number 5, did you know that baking soda makes for a great skin exfoliant? It's true! Its fine granules work as a gentle scrub, buffing away dead skin cells and revealing a fresh, glowing complexion underneath. It's a natural, easy, and cost-effective way to keep your skin looking its best. Who knew baking soda could be so beneficial for personal care? We're down to our final 4. At number 4, baking soda can improve exercise performance. Sounds surprising, right? But it's true. Baking soda's alkaline nature can help reduce fatigue during high-intensity exercise. It's like your personal coach, pushing you to go that extra mile or lift that extra weight. Moving on to number 3, baking soda takes on the role of a mini first aid kit. It can be a real lifesaver in treating insect bites and soothing itchy skin. Just a dab of a baking soda and water paste can bring instant relief. It's like having a soothing balm right in your kitchen cabinet. At number 2, we have something that benefits the inside of our bodies. Baking soda can improve kidney function. Yes, you heard that right. It can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease, acting like a silent guardian for your vital organs. And finally, at number 1, we reveal baking soda's ability to fight cancer. It's believed to create an alkaline environment in the body, which some researchers suggest could slow the growth of cancer cells. It's like having your very own microscopic army, ready to defend you at a moment's notice. And that's it, the top 10 surprising benefits of baking soda. A common household item with uncommon benefits. It's a tiny white powder with a mighty punch. So the next time you see that box of baking soda in your pantry, remember, it's not just for baking.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.